everybody. There's Bub. He's concentrating on driving because actually we're just getting into the really pretty busy part of things right now. We've been on the road since about 7:30 this morning. So it's been about 3 hours that we've been on the road. We're entering the Nashville area. We hope to be in Birmingham at some point this afternoon. We're very excited because we're gonna get to see Kaylee and her fiance Jonathan. It should be a really good time. We're gonna be going to an Alabama football game tailgate situation there. So I've been warned that these are pretty fun. We're in Alabama now.
Yes.
Woohoo! We don't have that much further to go actually. Before we see Kaylee and Jonathan, we're gonna eat some lunch with them, kind of a late lunch, and then I think Kaylee and I are gonna do some things sort of in preparation for her wedding, which is coming up this spring. I think we're gonna check out some dresses maybe, I'm not sure exactly what. We are here at Kaylee's, and yay! Many of you love and remember Kaylee from the What's in Kaylee's Makeup Bag video, which was awesome.
That was so much fun.
And so Kaylee loves makeup, just like all of us do, and we're doing like a little kind of trial run, playing with some makeup, maybe thinking about some wedding things, because Kaylee's getting married in May. So
this coming May 2013, and I'm excited, and it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna play around some makeup ideas.
What kinds of things do you want for your wedding makeup?
I'm doing more of that coral and what'd you say? Aqua,
it's kind of like an aqua, teal, like light. Both colors are kind of light,
soft,
but yet
very
they're
soft.
Yeah.
So I wanted kind of a very soft, nudish brown, but making you kind of have something that I like on right now on your eyes.
Okay.
You can't see it. You can't see it. But I really like that. Aww. Mia, that is my dog Mia.
Mia.
Yay! Oh, she's such a pretty girl. But she might be a flower girl. We're not sure yet.
Oh my goodness.
We're trying to figure that out. But but I really, I want it to be very natural. Everything about it is rustic and natural, and I want to do that to my eye.
Awesome. Okay, so here you're seeing her eyes. Kaylee wanted kind of like a little bit of a silvery pop on the inner part of her eye. And then as you can see, we went a little bit smoky, raising it up just a little bit on the outside. So when she opens her eyes, it has kind of a lifted look, very pretty. Her cheeks are super, natural looking, kind of peachy. And I think it's gonna coordinate really well with your colors because you've got that corally tone, and the lips, nice and natural. That's the Mally Lip Shine in Blossom. It's a really pretty natural color. And we used this. This was one of the key products. This is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. So these were like the blush colors I used. I used a little bit of the cream and set it with some of the powder so she would have that kind of glowy look to her skin. And I used a little bit of this light bronzer called Bronze Veil. And then we used the Naked 2 palette for all of her eye colors. So for that, it was, let's see, I used this shade. Verve is like a light silver color. And then I used, what's this shade? Busted and Blackout, and I mixed those, and that's what you're seeing on the outer corner of her eye. And then we lined the bottom part with that as well. We used some of Kaylee's Voluminous Mascara, and we used some of her Photo Ready foundation here.
I absolutely love it. I think it's exactly, I had sent Emily a picture of kind of something that I really liked, and she kind of took it to another level, which is great.
I dig it. It looks nice on you.
She's taught me a little something about popping my cheekbones with doing the lighter right above there, that triangle that she was explaining to me.
Yes. So you can see how bright she looks right in this area here. We're keeping the blush kind of on the outside, and we're really brightening there. It looks really nice. So
yeah, I love it.
Yay!
Yay, I'm excited.
So we're gonna go to Ulta, Walgreens.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Ulta, we're gonna go to Walgreens, and I've taken pictures of things that I'm going to buy because I take Emily's makeup experiences very seriously.
She has been using things like True Match powder and Rimmel bronzer for years now. When we had a big trip, we went to Walgreens years ago, and and we found some of these must-haves, and she's continued to repurchase.
Well, as I told Emily, I really do try to branch out with eyeshadows, but I'm not very good at branching out on other things. So I stick to what works.
If it works and your skin looks great, Kaylee's got really good skin naturally. Like, she doesn't require a bunch of makeup on top of it. But what we did was just, you know, we did it up as if she was going to get her pictures taken or she was going to be in her wedding. Kaylee has not seen herself yet, but here it goes.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking nasty. Yes! I'm making you touch right now. Barry is awesome.
Barry is amazing. This is too cool.
Like, how did that happen? I mean, I watched.
Look at your ears and the open skin on your cheek. It's incredible.
This is the bee's freaking knees. Can I say the kitty's titties?
You can say whatever you want.